Wagon rear Mondo Mudguard installation. Let's go. First thing you want to do is remove the wheel and remove the rear mud flap by using a jack and jack stand. There are 3 attachment points, 2 T25 screws and 1 10mm nut. Find your template in the kit and cut it out using some scissors. This is for the rear section of the fender. We're going to clearance it. The template is good for both sides, left and right. Just make sure you transfer your lines onto the opposite side. Mark off 3 inches from the trim line and tape on your template. Draw your line and also mark off where your pie cuts are. So just make a mark here and here. Once you have your template marks on, you can draw your lines from your pie cuts across. They don't need to be perfect. Next, take a Sawzall or your favorite cutting device and cut your pie cut, starting at the bottom. Once you have those, you can make your lower cut. Should be in line with the template all the way to the first pie cut, and that piece should fall out. Now we are straightening the tabs for the pie cuts, so use a pair of vice grips or pliers and make those as flat as you possibly can, and then we're going to bend them right on the point of where the line was. The hammer is just adjusting that fit. We're going to cut that final little tab that was on the top and test fit our rear Mondo. At the same time, we're going to mark where the holes are. They should align with the pie cut tabs that you just created. You're going to take the included paint primer and cover up any exposed metal that was left from the pie cuts. Pre-drill your 2 holes that we marked previously. We pre-threaded the screws. You can do this is optional. And now we're taking the urethane and covering up all of the exposed metal. And you can be as messy as you want here, or you can be really precise. I'm starting the VHP tape by pulling the tab and folding it over. And make sure that you clean and wipe this painted surface before you apply the tape with alcohol and a microfiber towel. And now I'm going to place the rear Mondo and install the mounting screws. Go ahead and tighten those up. And now we're going to pull the rear Mondo out so that the fit is correct. Pull the tab. Apply 25 pounds of pressure across the entire surface. This is the lower screw, self-tapper. Let's go ahead and put that in, and there you go. Find more great products from Wagon at terrawagon.com.